subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. London-based consumer tech company Nothing has launched the Ear 1, the company's most expected true wireless earbuds. It has a transparent design to expose the engineering, including microphones, magnets and circuit board, features an 11.6mm driver, has Bluetooth 5.2 and comes with active noise cancellation. It has an instantly recognizable red color signal for right to there. Case's playful fisheye dip that helps secure buds. Each earbud weighs in at just 4.7 grams, and delivers pressure-relieving vents, an ergonomic fit, and 3 customizable liquid silicone tips. Active noise cancellation on Ear 1 uses 3 high-definition mix. There is light mode for moderate noise cancellation and maximum mode for noisier environments like when on an airplane or at the office. There is also a transparency mode. It uses clear voice technology that is specially developed for Ear 1 to reduce distractive background noise, like wind. Additional features include Find My Earbud, active noise cancellation and gesture control customization via the Ear 1 app, as well as in-ear detection and fast pairing. The Ear 1 earbuds are also sweat and water splash resistant. It promises up to 5.7 hours of listening time and up to 34 hours with the case. It also offers ultra-fast charging, so a 10 minutes charge of the case delivers up to 8 hours of listening for a day's power. The case also has Qi wireless charging. The Nothing Ear 1 is priced at Rs. 5,999 and will be available from Flipkart in India starting from August 17th. It will also be available in US, Europe and UK, priced at $99, $99 and $99, respectively. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.